If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.
Hello there, sweet one. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like the louder I speak, the more there's going to be an echo. But hello there. Hi. Ring ring. Hello. Hi. How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been enjoying the content that I have been putting out. Thank you so much for 700 subscribers. I told you we're going to hit 1K very soon. Watch the space. You see the space? Watch it. Look it in the eye. Just me and you, don't worry. So I hope you're doing good. I'm shooting a video and my mother's screaming in the other room, calling me. Anyway, let's get the bag. As you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a little up style. So I've been doing a lot of like ponytails and stuff. Tell me, why is my hairline rescinding? My hairline is going back. My hairline is doing a history lesson. Like, I don't understand why it's doing that. I have been taking care of my hair, so I have no idea. So I want to do a low tension method hairstyle and just show you how to achieve that on your natural hair. Before we get into that, quick catch up. How lit is the 700 subscribers, as I said before? I saw an ad this morning of a video I did for a watch company called Watchily, and they had me on an ad. Like, I'm famous. Like, hello. Other thing, I might be going to Cape Town this week for just like a day or two, a literal in and out. So that's just gonna be a jump. I will probably just show you bits and pieces of what's happening, because how can I not? How can I not keep you in the loop? Gotta have you in the loop. My lips, gorgeous. We are back to normal lips. So anxiety wise, I have been trying to control it. I did have a panic attack like on Friday, but at least I didn't peel my lips. But you know what I'm peeling? My fingernails and these things. So I'm thinking about getting fake nails, because with fake nails it's harder to peel out your cuticles and stuff. So I am considering that. But also I don't have the time to sit down for 2 hours and get my nails done, because time is of the essence. That's just like that's a quick little recap of things you gotta know. But let's rather get into this video. This video is not sponsored, please don't get me wrong. I will be mentioning products as I go along, but the video is not sponsored. You use your products that you have at home. If you don't have products and you want a specific product, don't worry, it will be in the description box below. But there's no point in spending money on things that you should have, so please don't go and do that. So other than that, let's get into the video. My hair was already done for this. I went on a little errand run, so my hair was tied up. It was tied up pretty tight, but we wanted loose. We're gonna have low tension. Low tension means that there's not a lot of strain, there's not a lot of sleek back. We're just having a nice low tension hairstyle. To start off, we're just gonna spritz our hair with some water. I am using a little spritz bottle, but if you don't have a spritz bottle, you go to the tap, you put water in your hand and just bambata, tap, 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 tap. That's all you do. You don't have to come and do the most. Also, this bottle is new, so let's see how does it work. There we go. So water is very good for your hair, no matter what. Like, water is good. Remember that you always want to keep your hair very, very hydrated, as well as moisturized. Now I'm gonna go in with an oil. I use castor oil because it helps texturize my hair, and meaning that it allows the glue, it allows the gel to stick onto my hair better. So that's why I always apply would try to always apply some castor oil to my hair before I go in with the gel.
For this part, you can use any gel of your choice. I'm using the Soften Free Styling Gel because that's just the gel that I use. Like, it's so good on your hair. And I apply like a sufficient amount, both front and back. Remember that you can use whatever gel you have already at home.
Why is the bottom so hot? I think it's because the door is open and the wind. Can someone just tell me why is the bottom so hot? I think it's because the door is closed, the window is closed, but there's children screaming outside, so I'm definitely gonna get feedback. And then also just like my family is really loud, so it's not gonna work for me. I'm just putting some gel on my edges so it can get a little bit tacky while we style the rest of my hair. As you saw, like, look, there's even a bubble in my hair. There's a bubble at the back, and that's just so that there's no tension. So the reason why I do need a little pony is because I am going to be adding a faux pony. I am using a drawstring pony. I finally found out what it is. It's a pondo, but we know it as it's a pondo. The pondo I have here is from the brand Good Care, Good Hair. It's not a sponsored video. I did work with them before, and I just feel like, yeah, I should be using this hair some way or another. So the thing about this ponytail is, if I'm just honest with you, when you put it on, can you see that it has, can you see? Where's the hair in this section? So when you put it on, you have to like keep it down so it covers that little bald spot. But you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna take advantage of that bald spot. You know, we're gonna make it work. Whole process is, and the whole point is, whatever you have, make it work for you. You don't have to go out now and buy something. So even if you do buy some sort of hairpiece that has like a little boopsie or something that doesn't make sense, it's okay, it's alright. I might go home with you tonight. Okay, so I'm going to just separate this a bit. So I basically want a front section and a back section. So this is going to be my front section, right? The drawstring is inside. I'm putting it inside, right? Inside, not on top, inside. And you're basically going to hook, because this is, okay, let's just put this out of the way so it doesn't go to the other hair. Okay, I'm gonna hook this now onto my pony. It is tight, so it shouldn't come loose with the drawstring, but we are going to secure it with a headscarf, so that's no worry at all. Okay, you would have seen in a previous video I said that you put the drawstring front to back, but in this circumstance, because we want like a little Frenchy fringe, we're going to put the drawstring pony. We're gonna put the clips of the drawstring in the sides. Okay, so that's this part. So you'll have your part at the back and your part in the front. Okay, why am I not focusing? What's your focus? Right? Okay, now we're gonna do the whole thing of using a doogoo. So at this book over here, I got it as a freebie from an Aunty Jackies event that I attended, and it goes at my top. So I'm just going to fold this up into a little triangle. I want it like a bit thick, you see, because I want it to cover the back of my head, and I'm gonna pass it through here like that. Okay.
Also nice, also nice, also nice, also nice.
Whatever's behind the band is behind the band. And over here we have our little fringe. So you can style this any way you want to. You can put it over, you can put it under, you can leave it loose and be that girl. But I'm gonna tuck it in because it is a bit thick. So I'm gonna tuck it in here. You can also use a pin like that. Then you are just gonna wanna have it look decent, not looking crazy, and it's a ponytail look. At the end of the day, it's giving ponytail. So
Also nice.
this is what it's coming out looking like. Then you can just make edges here for yourself.
Also nice, also nice, also nice, also nice.
And that's the look. So you can design your pony any way you want to. You can even tuck it into the back of your scarf, your head scarf. But that is basically it. A little swoosh whoop to look cute. And yeah, there we go. That's the look. It's giving rich Cinderella, you know, rich brown Cinderella. Rare. I hope you learned something in this video and that it was sort of entertaining to you. Please, if it was, make sure that you come back next week because I will have another video. And please have a good week. Remember to love yourself, love others, and just be a good person. You never know when someone needs you to be good to them.
Also nice, also nice.
So I don't have anything more to say to you, but one, I'm coming back to you next week looking bigger, better and better. Is there one? There is no question. But you can go now, but first before you go, give me beso. Extendo. I carry like a Plego. I'll see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye.